Gen freaks, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the third stream of the day. we almost forgot that we went on the moon show again today with Mr. M, and so we've gone on. We went on Monday, had a good conversation, went on Tuesday, but welcome to the channel, welcome to the show, and just got to turn up my microphone. Okay, let's see. Is that better? Am I louder now? I think I'm good. All right. Let's see. Is that a better volume? Is that better? Is that good? Let me make sure I got. Oh, there we go. I know what's going on. Here we go. Let's pump up the volume. Pump up the volume. Dance. Is that better? Is that good? Let's go. All right, everyone. Welcome. Smash up the likes. Hit the subscribe button. All the things. If you have tuned in to the live streams this couple days and the past couple weeks, you have been tuned in and keyed in on a lot of the bullish news, bearish news, all the sentiment, all of the narratives that you need to follow, whether it be the boys club narratives or some of the Solana narratives. But we've kept it pretty simple because we could say, oh yeah, go and check out this Celebify token or all these things, or a Politify token, but we've kept it very simple. So if you guys have watched the video that we released recently on our channel, we'll go to that video really quick here, just so we can shill our own video. We got almost over 1,000 views on this about 2 days ago, so that's good. It's a lot better video metrics than some of my most recent videos, because some of these videos, God, I don't know what the algorithm did, but it just the algorithm was just like, sorry, bro, you're not gonna get the numbers for this one. But what's going on? We got Blockchain Junior, we got XZen, we got LNP in the house. Shout out to, we got Crypto G. What is going on? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome, everyone. But yeah, so basically what we have been talking about for the past couple of days is we've really been honing in on the conversation of conviction and being able to have more of a long-term outlook on crypto. Because what has happened to a lot of us is that we get very easily distracted. And if you think about how the stock market works, the stock market, well, now it's like Nvidia and Tesla and Amazon and a lot of these tech stock and these AI stocks have been almost operating like meme coins and almost like the crypto markets, because they've been going up 10, 15, 20%, 30%. And so, but traditional stocks, you're thinking like 10%, between 5 to 10%, NASDAQ 10% on the year on average for a portfolio. And so what we have done to ourselves in crypto, because we've only been around since 2013, or then you get into DeFi, and then it goes into 2016, 17. Then true DeFi summer with BNB doing smart contracts, and just all of that. So you start to see the market has changed, but we still have that casino mentality, and I feel like the casino mentality is what breaks the long-term hold. And what ends up getting people to eventually sell their Bitcoin or sell whatever their altcoins they have. They've been holding for maybe 1 or 2 cycles, and it's only been just a couple cycles, and we're already bored. So I think what I've been trying to help you guys with is to help you step out of the casino, and go into more of a long-term plan and strategy. Because why not? I mean, do you like crypto? Are you here for the long term? Are you here to make consistent profits and gains? I'm not talking about cashing out for $1 million and then calling it a day, because guess what, guys? $1 million is not worth what $1 million used to be. So, things are just going to constantly get more expensive, and your idea of being a millionaire is actually, you got to think about if you're a household that makes over $100,000 or $200,000 a year combined, it's not that far off from being close to 500,000. You know, that's not too far off from making $1 million. So, but then you got to think about now what $100,000 to $200,000 household brings in, and now that even those households are struggling, can't pay the bills, don't have an actual savings or a reserve or a backup. So $1 million, we got to start thinking a little higher now. We got to start thinking, we got to be a couple million, not just $1 million. It's going to be millions, billions. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We are going to get into a couple of the memes that we've been talking about. Today's show was directed completely towards memes. So if you go to the live, you guys want to watch this live stream back, because memes lead the charge for people bored in crypto. So people are bored. We're talking to ourselves here in crypto a lot of the times. We end up talking to ourselves, and we're in a giant bubble and an echo chamber, and the true masses have not come in yet. They just haven't come. They're not here. You are here, and you are awesome. The fact you guys are here means you are 1,000 times ahead, 1,000 steps ahead than 80% of the people in the world right now. I would wager to bet 90% of the people in the world. We're very early, so consider yourself lucky. Consider yourself lucky that you have discovered the degeneracy that is cryptocurrency. No, I call it freedom. But besides that, guys, we can get into Bitcoin. Let's get into the Bitcoin price. We'll get into a little bit of the Bitcoin price, and we will clean up the charts a little bit here. But we like this Coinbase chart. The Coinbase chart is just showing that we are just ranging in this purple box range. The purple box range has been broken. It got rejected off the 618. It could not get past into the 63,000 to 64,000 range. It got rejected 2 times. That was the signification of us going to the downside. But if you see here, we actually went right down and tested into the bottom of the range. And so we pumped back up to give some strength, but is it enough? Is it enough to get us back up to these ranges? Well, we got to see some more money flow. We were liking Frankie Candle's stream earlier today. We were watching a little portion of it, and we were listening to his TA. He was breaking it down. He was saying, "Look, if we can have more money flow on these shorter time frames, and we can push the price and break these levels here, then the bullish case scenario would be clearing an inverse head and shoulders. But if it is the bear case, then we could easily break back down into a value area low of 59 or 60K once more, because the rejection off of the 63,000 here could signify a lower liquidity grab to the downside. So we want to give you guys the bullish case, and we also want to give you the bearish case just in case the market decides to do a flip-flop. And, you know, that's just, it is what it is, guys. But we tell you that the bottom of the band here, bottom of the band, 59,000. So if any price you're looking at would be 59,000 for the bull bearish case, and getting another test up to the top of the band at 63,800 for the bullish case. And so if you like that, smash up the like button. And let me know what altcoins you want me to check out before I end the stream. Please put them in the chat, and we'll do our best to pull them up and do a little bit of analysis on them. All right, so going into the meme coins, we wanted to show you guys the parabola curve that we're noticing here on Brett. So what we did is we kind of curved up the price. We said, look, this is a really nice curve uptrend. And as long as we just see strength and we don't go below this this trend line again, and we keep making higher lows, then we could just trade up into this channel up to 30 cents. Now, we think that Brett, and we don't have to think it just is, it's the top meme coin on base right now in terms of trading volume, in terms of the partnerships that it's getting, the major exchange listings, tier 1, tier 2. The trading volume is absolutely insane. And so we have just picked this as our as a project that we feel that could go to 10 billion market cap, to a to a 20 billion market cap. So at that point, that for us is a good, it's a good 10x there, good 10x, 15x. And so its potential is super high. But for the fact that it's the official mascot for the base chain, and I love the fact that a lot of the coins that we've talked about that are on the other side, being Ponky, Dougal, and things like that, we're seeing a lot of cross-platforming and cross-promotion and them interacting with each other because of the nature of the Matt Fury Boys Club saga, with all of the characters and the meme space and the cryptocurrency space basically capitalizing on these characters being mascots for the digital revolution, which is meme summer, DeFi summer, meme everything, because every chain, if you want it to be truly successful, it has to have a good meme. It has to have a good meme. We've seen this now. We understand a lot of people are flipping. They're actually swapping out from their fundamental coins into meme coins because they cannot deny the fact that the memes are leading the charge into this next bull cycle, the true one. Like, we're going to see Bitcoin is going to go up by institutional buying and not FOMO buying from retail. We just know that because of the supply crunch. If you're going to get fooled into thinking that because Bitcoin is at 100K, it's because retail spot. No, it's not. It's not retail spot. It might push the price up a little bit, but truly, we're going to see people spot buying more memes because of the fact that, yeah, you can headband. That's what you do full time, don't you? So, yeah, you can buy them. Like, I think you can even turn them. You can even turn a meme into a JPEG, and then make an NFT of it, headband. But yeah, I think people are going to understand that you can buy more with your money. With say you have 50. Say you just, the people that are going on the Coinbase wallet, they have $50. They're gonna buy Brett or Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. They're gonna buy Ponky. I mean, they're gonna be able to get more. They're going to buy Pepe. They're going to be able to get more of these coins for $50. And that mentality is going to just naturally be there for people that are new to crypto. They don't look at price. They don't look at that. They don't look at market cap, and they don't look at like supply or anything like that. They don't think, okay, like there's a lot of that, so maybe, no, they're just like, okay, this is cheap. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. $500 of bonk is 4,000 coins. So you got 4,000 bonk, and 500 BTC is point zero zero. Is it 0.002? Something like that. Something like that. All right, so since we're on the topic of memes, I am dabbling in doing some research into TON chain. So we finally did the research, and we have found resistance dog. So redo. Oh, you're talking about your returns. Okay, you put $500 into bonk, and then you got $4,000. Yes, I know. Nice, awesome. That's awesome. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. Oh, it's possible. Okay, so the reason why we started to go, guys, I mean, if you've been watching this channel, we've talked about TON chain and TON coin and that ecosystem growing for the past couple months. So we feel honestly kind of dumb for not just getting into it and trying to just like experiment and research about it a little bit more, to be honest. So we finally just pulled the trigger. And if you're in the Discord, you know what I'm talking about. So we found Resistance Dog. We actually, Crypto King Tyrell. If you guys are familiar with Crypto King Tyrell, he's in the Moon Crew. He's one of the awesome people that go on the Moon Show. He is usually on Thursdays, and he's been going on Mr. M Show, Maurizio, and they've been doing DJ Wednesdays. But he's been really heavy into the TON chain, the Telegram chain, TON coin, and also the projects and the meme coins that are also around in that space. And so he just released a video. You guys should check it out. It goes a little bit deeper into it, but essentially it's a bot wallet that's inside your Telegram. So whether you're on whether on your desktop or you're on your phone, you can access it through the app. And so basically what you need to do, just buy some TON, whether it be on an exchange. You're going to send it into that wallet, and then that's how you're going to be able to interact into the dApps, and you'll be able to connect your wallet with and actually you can swap inside the TON holy moly, what is it called? TON, is it Fade? Oh my gosh, I forgot the name of it. Let me pull it up real quick. What is it? Is it? Oh my gosh. Give me just a second, guys. I just went blank on the name. I just completely forgot what is the name. It's TON Space. There it is. Jesus, I couldn't think of it. TON Space. So you're going to use the TON Space portion, which actually has your address inside there. It's basically a beta wallet inside the wallet, which is at wallet. So it's really cool. It's really cool. I think it's gonna do very well. And also, guys, I mean, you have native USDT inside this wallet as well. So with that being said, I mean, the TON chain being number 8 in terms of market cap, the trading volume is up 57%. The total value locked is starting to get crazy. It's still low compared to other chains. The DEX volume on DDust and ston.fi is massive on just TON alone, and then you got to think the exchanges, the centralized exchanges on crypto.com. So I mean, this thing is it's getting up there. So we're gonna keep our finger on the dial, guys. And if you want to actively see what I'm doing, what I might be going into, we're going to just document that on the Discord. So if you want to check out some of that in the Discord, just go in there, and I'll be taking screenshots and making little clip videos that'll just be in the Discord. So make sure you guys go in there and check that out. All right, so we mentioned this before. You know, we still have. It takes a year after the halving. Okay, the halving like just happened like in April, so we still have a year to go before we see massive moves. Basically, like I think if you were to go by this Bitcoin halving chart of where we see the most increase is a year after the halving. So my point is that it's not too late. It's a very good opportunity to DCA, and if you think that we're going to get a 200% increase, which I think we are. I think we're going to get as high as $150,000 this year, and then we're going to establish a new bottom at like $96,000, and then from there we're going to go to like $250,000. And people are just going to be blown away because you can't deny the supply shock that's going to indeed happen with Bitcoin. So, and what's going to happen with the memes and Ethereum with the ETF? Well, you're going to see coins like Pepe. You're going to see coins like Shiba Inu. You're going to see coins like Floki. You're going to see coins like BYBIT and Brett. You're going to see coins like Solana. You're going to see coins like Kendu Inu. You're going to see coins like Ponki and Pai, the Chinese Pepe. These things are going to explode, okay? I 100% believe that. So these are the strong memes that I've been picking for the narrative, which is Boys Club and derivative side characters that exist along in that ecosystem. So we're keeping it pretty simple. All right, well, shout out to everyone who's in the live stream. I do appreciate it. You guys are already hitting the like button, doing all the things that you're supposed to do. Well, you're not supposed to do it. I can't make you do it. But I will say, if you're watching on the TV, we do the Dano Crypto cheat code. If you're watching on the big screen TV that I know is above your fancy fireplace with your fur rug of a freshly shaved bear from the bear market. I know it's a fresh bear. You skin that bear, that bearish bear, and you put that rug right in front of there, and then you put on Dano Crypto. But yeah, hit up, right, select. That's how you hit the like button on the TV if you're watching on your TV. People forget to hit the like button when they're watching on their fancy TV. All right, so we are still doing our giveaway, our treasure giveaway. Shout out to the partners of the channel, BITFLEX. If you get a chance, please use the link in the description. Sign up. You get a fat, juicy bonus, and you get a chance to win one of these guys right here. Doo-doo-doo. We got to transfer some crypto in that. We got to put some Solana on that. You can actually put some, you can put Solana on this thing too. I think you can actually put some meme coins on here as well. We got to check the dashboard again, but we were like, what? You can put all this stuff on here? That's amazing. All right, so we're going to get back into the coins. Okay, so we were talking about Brett. We mentioned Kendu Inu. The reason why we were getting pretty interested in Kendu Inu is that of just the growth of the coin itself so fast, with kind of just a raw marketing, with not a lot of noise behind it. So we like projects like that kind of just come out of the woodwork. They came into my stream, told me about it, and so that's kind of why I like it. That's why I like it. And I thought to myself, you know what? That might be a godsend. Or we could be dead wrong, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All you can do is speculate. All you can do is speculate because none of this is financial advice. All this is entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own research, and you have to be willing to lose everything to gain it all. So it's just how it rolls. It's just how it rolls. Okay, so Ethereum looking like it's going to prime. It's like it's primed to pop up to test its all-time highs. It's a shame that Ethereum still hasn't broken its all-time highs, and Bitcoin has broken it 2 times. Broken 2 different all-time highs, moving up past $69,000 of its previous all-time high in the last cycle. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about it? Well, I know what I think about it. I think coins like Phantom. This looked like it was going to be a really nice, like inverse head and shoulders. I mean, it basically did it. It was like a nice inverse head and shoulders, but then it just started going. He just started letting his shoulder lean a little bit, just letting that shoulder lean just a little bit too, a little bit too much, and so I don't know what happened there, but still, Phantom. Great ecosystem. And then you got things like Shiba. You got things like Metis. I mean, Jesus, Metis at $48. Whoa, I'm doing marking all over the chart. Metis was doing well. We had nice liquidity coming up in this ecosystem. But yeah, charts can only tell you so much. It is true. You know, TA works until it doesn't, and then you got catalysts, you got news, you got all this stuff, but sometimes the charts do show you because you have front runners, you got people that maybe have insider information, and then all of a sudden you're like, man. But yeah, things like Matic, I think things like Matic are still going to do very well. Like, you gotta remember, like, it's in its price box range to accumulate. It's in the range. Like, look, it's in the range of where it broke out. Like, look, I know it broke out here. Like, think of Matic, like, when it truly ran. I mean, it went up 2,600%. Holy crap. Okay? It went up so much, but look at where the price is right now. I mean, if you think that Matic is going to go up to its all-time highs, then we have 385% move to the upside. And then if you think it's going to break its all-time high and you believe in the Polygon ecosystem, then you would think, okay, I think Matic in this run could go to $4, could go to $5. You know, I truly believe that Matic is a $5 coin. If this thing got to almost $3, this thing could get to $5. This thing could get to $5. With all the things that Polygon does and the liquidity that's on that projects like Chainlink and Render and actually are on Polygon because the liquidity is great. The chain just operates, it works. They're into gaming. They partner up with a lot of things. So I think Matic would just be a true, still a good hold. And then we got XYO. I mean, God, we can go down the list. But, man, okay. But I'm realizing what time it is. It's getting a little late, guys, and I have to put my chickens up. They go in the coop themselves, thank God, but then I got to close it up and make sure they're all good and safe. So we're going to go do that. And I hope you guys have a good rest of the night. And read the meme. Conviction is key. Okay? Conviction is key. The whole reason you're investing in to begin with is to have the max gains, not 2x, not 5x. No, we want max gains. So let's have a little bit of a long-term strategy here, guys. Okay? All right. I hope you guys come to the next live stream, which will be tomorrow at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. And thanks for tuning in and hitting the like button and doing all the things that keep me on my toes, giving me the comments, and thanks for your interactions in the chat. And be sure to leave a comment on this video to give your thoughts, and so I can give it a like and a heart and all those things. Really do appreciate it. Yeah, we want the max gains, Mr. Crypto. All right. Appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.